Okay, here's another one that everybody's been looking for. You don't see too many of these, especially not nowadays, that aren't rusted out and all beat up. This is a 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. This is an LS model. It's got cloth interior, it's got alloy wheels, it's got a power seat, bench seat in the second row, third row seating of course, so it can tow the whole family around, or if you have a bunch of passengers, you can put them in the back there. Lots of room, lots of space to put cargo, people, you name it. This has got it. This thing is the ultimate hauling machine, whether it be for your kiddos or you just like to take a lot of people along with you. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth. We just traded it in. It's a 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. It's got 117,000 miles on it. It's a one owner, clean Carfax vehicle. Tires are in great shape. There's no rust. Just drove around the block here. It runs good, smooth, quiet. Everything works. As always, we back every vehicle that we sell here at Victory Honda with a 90-day guarantee. So that's 3 months, 3,000 miles. And this one is the engine, the powertrain, drive axles, all the major stuff on the vehicle is covered for 3 months or 3,000 miles. We give you 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations along with the purchase of a pre-owned vehicle. We check them over from front to back, top to bottom, side to side with our 182-point inspection. We make sure the brakes, the tires, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to specifications so we can back it with that warranty. Come check it out today. Let me show you the interior here real quick, how clean it is. This is how it was traded in, just came in today. We're going to professionally detail it inside and out. Check it out, Victory Honda Plymouth. 2 sets of keys, Carfax report, maintenance records, copy of that 182-point inspection. This one could go home with you today. Thank you.